this question, you have to identify the conditions which is indicative of diabetes mellitus. Option A, ketonuria and glycosuria. The ketonuria refers to the presence of ketone bodies in urine, which occurs when the body starts breaking down the fat for energy due to lack of insulin or glucose utilization. And glucosuria, that is glycosuria, it refers to the presence of glucose in urine. Now, which happens when blood sugar levels are high and it exceeds the kidney's ability to reabsorb glucose. So, both conditions are characteristic of diabetes mellitus. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, renal calculi and hyperglycemia. This is incorrect. Renal calculi, that is kidney stones, are not directly associated with diabetes mellitus. Though hyperglycemia, that means the high blood sugar, is a symptom of diabetes, but the presence of kidney stones is unrelated to the disease. Option C, uremia and ketonuria. Now this is also incorrect, as uremia refers to the buildup of waste products in the blood due to the kidney failure, and which is not directly related to diabetes mellitus, but ketonuria is related to diabetes. Option D, uremia and renal calculi. As already mentioned, neither of these conditions is indicative of the diabetes mellitus.